Okay, guys. So I got this from my husband. He actually surprised me with this from Oro Gold Cosmetics. So it's very funny because the way how he gave this to me was just not his usual self. And yeah, so I want to show you guys what's inside because I have not seen it, but he did briefly explain to me about the product. So let's see. Okay, so this collection is actually made of 24K carat gold. So all of these items or skincare has a 24K carat gold in it. I have not used any of such skincare with 24K carat gold especially, so I am very excited when I receive this. And yeah, so my husband actually gave this to me right after I bought my skincare product from Nature Collections. If you've seen my Instagram feed, I did have a short video about my spree over there. So just a couple of days after I bought those, he surprised me with this, and he was asking me about my skincare routine, which is not the usual conversations that we had. So it's a bit funny, but at the same time I knew that he has always been curious about how I take care of my skin. So he asked me all sorts of skincare questions, and then he brought me to show him all my skincare. So I showed him the one that I bought from Nature Collections. So when I was bending over to get my products to show him, at the background I heard this plastic voice, this packaging voice at the back, and I didn't suspect anything, until I turned to him and showed him the product that I bought from Nature's Collection. He showed me, why not you give this a try? And he handed me this item, and I was like, OMG, what is this? Inside my heart I was like, I just bought a new skincare and now you get me this. So, and then he asked me this question, how much was the most that I have spent on my own skincare product. And I told him that I have spent the most was like $500. That was for SK2 product, and that was just like once in my lifetime. I spent that much. To me that was a ridiculous spend, but I was very curious about SK2 products, so I bought the whole package, and it's more than 3 items. There are a whole lot more. So, and I asked him, how much is this? Because you just look at the packaging, it feels so luxurious. When I hold it, it feels just how I would feel when I touch SK2 product. I was so excited, at the same time I was so nervous, because this is a 24 karat gold. It's no kidding, guys. It's like, okay. And I popped that question to him. I asked him, how much is this? Then he said it comes nearly to $400. And I was like, okay, this stuff better be good, So okay, guys, let's dig in and open this together and see what's inside. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous for him when he spent that much. I don't know why, but I like it. Okay, now we start with this Oro Gold Cosmetic. This is their 24K Intensive Eye Formula Cream, and currently I am using this from Body Shop, Oils of Life, and to me this is amazing already, and it's so pretty. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see I use this a lot, and day and night. and it has this shine, you know, if you can see it. It's like a glitter. I don't know what it is, but let me show you. Like there's some glitter in there. It's like pigments. Can you see that? This is so pretty, and ever since I used this, it was like just amazing. Okay, so we are not talking about Body Shop. Okay, come, let's see this. Okay, the packaging itself, as I told you, it feels very solid. Okay, and it's in very bright gold. Okay, it didn't really captures on the camera. So let's see. So 24K Intensive Eye Formula Cream brings out your inner youth by deflecting puffiness and reducing the appearance of around the eyes, giving your eye more rested look. 24K is formulated with 4 main ingredients: gold, caffeine, vitamin A, and green tea. Okay, and pretty much is paraben free. Okay, come, let's open it. Okay, so this is how it opens up, like that. Okay, this is cool. It's a magnetic thing over here. Okay. This is good. Oh, so pretty lah kan. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is a certificate. Wow. Okay, with the cloth and all that. Okay. So this is what? A certificate. Authentication certificate. What is this? Basic characteristic: beaten metal leaves with thickness of 0.07 microns. The material was produced and analyzed according to the European Food Tolerance specifications and can be labeled as... Okay guys, so this thing is legit. This product contains pure 24K. Okay, I'm scared to use this product. It was like I'm scared that it won't work. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it feels very... It's made of plastic, surprisingly. I was expecting it to made of glass. Okay, but I think the money goes into the formula itself. And okay, let me see how many. It is 15 ml. Okay, I'm speechless. Okay, this is already great, and I don't know, I think I'm gonna keep the packaging because it's so pretty lah kan. Okay, this is to use every morning. What about night? Okay, never mind. Okay, so now we are on to this. This is their 24 multivitamin deep peeling. Also contains 24K gold, I believe. And let's see if it opens the same way. Does it? Oh yeah. Okay, so they have a certificate as well. This is so pretty lah. Every time I say pretty, I will say pretty lah kan. Okay, so it comes with the certificate as well. So there's basic characteristic: beaten leaves with thickness 0.07 microns. This product, okay, it's the same thing. Authenticity. Okay, and then you can really see. Can you see? That is the gold flakes lah. It looks like bits of tea inside, maybe because of the green tea. Does this have green tea? This unique peeling gel is formulated with superb ingredients such as bamboo stem powder and vitamin C. The combination of these powerful ingredients with walnut shell powder will help gently exfoliate the skin, leaving it with a soft, refreshed sensation. So extraordinaire 24K multivitamin profound peeling. Oh, okay, I'm actually reading the fronts. Okay, so there's no green tea, so I believe it's from the bamboo stem. And then this is 50 ml. Okay, it's heavy. It's very heavy. Not very. I mean, it's dense. Okay, let's put this inside. And there's no cloth in this, so I think that the eye cream might be more expensive than this. It's usually the case in skincare. In really good skincare, I noticed that the most expensive product will be the eye cream, because it really has that kind of ingredient that was very powerful, to remove all the puffiness and dark circles and whatnot. Okay, so this is their 24K deep moisturizer. Okay, this is the moisturizer, and then it comes in 45 ml. So does it open the same way? Oh, okay, so all the packaging opens up like that. Okay, and when do I use this? Once a week. After hot shower, rinse with cold water. Okay, these are actually written by the salesperson, because my husband was very clueless when it comes to using skincare, so it's written by the salesperson. Okay, now let's see. Okay, certificate. Again, it's the same thing. Okay, everything comes in 0.0 microns beaten metal leaves, which is cool. And it comes in this. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Okay, I open up the seal. Now there's a seal, so it's a seal under a seal. Okay, so there it is. There's the moisturizer. Okay, and I can't see the gold leaves in there. I think they dissolve it. So when you bought something that has a 24K gold in it, you want to see the gold, right? So I don't see the gold in these two products, but I see something here, but I'm not sure. Is it the gold or the bamboo? Yeah, so I'm really excited to try these guys, and I have been using some of the Nature Collection skincare products already, but I don't use their moisturizer. I don't bought any of their moisturizer. I'm just using their cleansing oil, but this okay, so I'm going to put this to a test. So what I'm going to do is, upon receiving this item, I have this idea of buying a microscope where you can actually see through your skin. Okay, so this is it. I bought this just to test out like my skin texture, my pores, before and after using this, whether I can see the gold in it. So it's going to be an interesting adventure, so I'm going to test this out first with my usual skincare routine. Once I've done that, I'm going to use this probably around 2 weeks or so, and then I'm going to test it under the microscope. But nevertheless, thank you, Mr. Hubby, for this. It was so thoughtful of him to bought me this, and he knows that I'm a huge fan of skincare products and makeup. And yeah, so he actually did arrange a facial. They also have a facial, so he did arrange a facial sessions for me and for himself as well. And yeah, so if you have been using any of the 24K gold skincare product, and please do share with me your experience and how do you like it. So meantime, see ya.